How to get Discord on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to talk about the ways to get Discord on your mobile. So for that case, you have to open up a Play Store. On the search box, type in Discord and install the application. Once the Discord application is completely installed, click the open button, and now you need to go ahead and start with the registration. So click the register button from the home page. So to register for it, you could either use an email address or an phone number. So then you could select either one of it. Now type in your information or the credential and click the next button. Once done, type in your username or display name that you want to set as, and then type in or create a password. Click the next button. Once done, type in your date of birth so that to confirm your age, and once you've actually done it, so click on the confirm button. Once you've done that, click on the create account button. You'll be able to see the CAPTCHA, so you have to fill it out, and then next thing you can go ahead and start setting up your status. Once done setting up your profile or the status, next thing you could see this sort of interface, which is going to look like this. So here you could go ahead and start creating a Discord server, or you could start joining one. So if you want to go ahead and join or create your own, click on the plus icon, and next thing you want to do is you just have to go ahead and select the plus button, and you could either go and click on create my own or have an invite link already. Once you've done it, so and this way you could go ahead and get Discord on your mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.